Welcome, I'm Hannah, and I'm here to show you how to use the shortcut key to unhide columns in Excel. This video tutorial will walk you through the steps you need to take to make the most out of this handy feature. So let's get started. To begin, open your Excel sheet and identify the columns that are hidden. This is especially useful for revealing data that has been temporarily hidden for clarity or presentation purposes. To use this shortcut, first select the columns on either side of the hidden area. Once you've made your selection, press Ctrl, Shift and 0 at the same time. And just like that, the hidden columns will reappear, restoring your full dataset for review or editing. Here's another helpful tip. If you're unsure where the hidden columns are, look for gaps in the column letters along the top of your sheet. This can help you quickly identify the areas to select before using the shortcut. Unhiding columns is a fantastic way to ensure you have full visibility of your data, especially when revisiting or auditing large spreadsheets. If you're looking for additional helpful shortcuts for Excel, check out Sheet Leveler's video tutorials for great tips. The tutorial instructions can also be found in the description below. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your appreciation by giving it a like. Additionally, feel free to explore other tutorials created by Sheet Leveler. Gain the skills you need to work efficiently with Excel by learning how to use it quickly and easily. Are you new here? We are delighted to have you join our online community. Subscribe now and become part of the Sheet Leveler family. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I look forward to our next meeting in my next video.